Look. Plenty of nuts again for Muslims.
Here's the facilities at Ho-Hum. Pretty nice. I like the showers here. They're pretty cool. And then, you know, the rest of it. You have a bathroom and it's very clean. We're just chillaxing today, hanging out. The tide is coming. Walking the dongs. Pretty chillaxed.
You did that on purpose.
No, I didn't. You walked right in front of me.
We are.
Yeah. We're walking to the store.
Dude doesn't know what's going on.
Yep. Ho-Hum RV Park. And here's the Ho-Hum RV Park on beach. This is so relaxing. We're actually considering staying another day and then pretty much booking it on home maybe. I don't know. But don't walk through campgrounds. Uh-oh, I'm doing it. I'm walking through a campground. But I don't know. We'll see. Picture.
We might need to. Oh. Scare the crap out of me.
Fiddler crabs come out when the tide is low. There's one right there in that little thing of grass. I'll try it. Maybe he's gonna hide. Oh, oh, no, 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 no. There he goes. Right there. Picture, picture.
Get out of the way.
Picture, picture.
Get out of the way.
Advance the end. Carving up dinner. Victuals. We're so starved. We're starved.
What's the trouble if he's the one taking the picture?
It is very windy tonight. I don't even know if you can hear me in this wind. Very breezy. Getting ready to call it a night.